TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. It's just a beautiful Monday morning out here in East Tennessee, and I've got a TMG volunteer on out of the shop. Now, why is it called a volunteer? Not because of our, excellent football team, the Volunteers. It is because TMG is volunteering to help save Texas-style barbecue, and we're doing that with this just top-notch backyard smoker here. So let's check her out. Now, this is going to man Chris. He just drove down from Virginia. So he's gonna haul this sucker back home with him. But let's check her out. Now, first off, we'll start with the fold down stack. That comes standard on every TMG volunteer. You get your fold down stack, because as you can see, this sucker is tall. So fold that stack up, lock her down, hey, you're ready to smoke. Now, Chris did do a couple upgrades. Normally this unit will come on casters. Starts about $44.99 on casters, but as you can see, he had to get it on that off-road package. Got some badass upgraded wheels and tires from our guys' mods. Those are some brand new options just came out. Hey, TMG, we get the mods first. Okay, a new style comes out, TMG gets them first, so we got the new style on there. He did get a stainless steel front shelf on here as well, guys. Great option to add. Looks good, cleans up quick, won't rust up on you. Still got your paper towel utensil holder down here, of course. Now, I'll check out the smoke chamber here. Now, like I said, this is a big smoker. So we've got a 52 by 27 smoke chamber here, about 130 gallons. You get 2 sliding trays in here, of course. You know, guys, every TMG pit comes with a sliding top shelf. We will never make you pay extra for top shelf. We just won't do it. So you got a lot of cook room in this unit. You do have a water pan shelf back here in the back, so that way you don't have to take up any room on your cooking grate. You just set it back there. Got his complimentary fire poker in there, of course. Fold that back down. Now, we do have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there. That's standard on every TMG pit. Now, the whole smoke chamber is 1/4-inch plate. The firebox is actually 3/8. So you got an extra thick firebox, 3/8 thick door on there as well. D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. Oh, I almost forgot the TMG Pits Tell True thermometer there, made in the USA. Of course, that's what we like to see. Guys, that is Chris's volunteer about to load her up. He's gonna haul ass back home with it. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.